Yesterday, the stock market dropped over 1,000 points, and everybody was freaking out. Oh no, the end is near. What are we gonna do? My money, my 401k, everything is ruined. Other people were saying, when's the right time? Should I buy now? Should I buy next week? When do I buy? Yesterday, I bought more stock in Meta or Facebook at $455. Today, it's around $500 in a day. Short term, Meta could go from $499 to $420. And I wouldn't care. Oh, but you bought it at $455 and now it's relax. I'll give you one example as to why timing the markets or trying to wait for the lowest price is kind of a loser's game and a waste of time. You're never gonna get it. On the one hand, you might say, well, I'm gonna wait for it to go lower. But then what happens when it does go lower? Do you pounce or do you chicken out and go, well, it could go even lower from here. And then it goes higher and you sit there and go, oh my God, I should have bought. Just average into your positions, add a little bit here and there, and relax. Over 2 years ago, I bought shares in a company at $155 per share. 2 weeks later, it was $123 per share. A month later, it was $110 per share. I wasn't panicking. I wasn't going, oh my God. I mean, of course, if I had known that it was going to go to 110, I would have just waited. But we didn't know that. Nobody knows that. On the other hand, I could have been looking at it at 155, saying, well, if it gets into the 110s, then I'll buy. But then what happens when it gets to the 110s? Maybe I go, oh, that was a big drop. It could probably go into the 90s. I'll wait for it to get to the 90s. You know what ended up happening? It went up to over $1,000 in the next 2 years. That company was NVIDIA, by the way. I bought some at 155, I bought some at 123, I bought more at 110, and then it skyrocketed. And I bought in the 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s. I bought it all the way down, all the way up. I averaged in. And I did very, very well. Waiting and trying to time things is a loser's game. You will drive yourself nuts and you will talk yourself out of every buying opportunity. 20 years from now, nobody's gonna remember August 5th and the markets were down 1,000 points. All they're gonna remember is I started investing around 20 years ago. And if you wanna learn how to research stocks, I'm gonna show you how I do it. You are going to go right here and you're going to click on the menu, which is right here, and you're going to find all of these resources. They're actually free, including this course. There's no email sign up, but you're going to click on this, the Fundamental Analysis Template. And here's what it looks like. But if you click right here, it's fillable. So you can actually fill it in. I don't know what's happening to my internet. There it goes. These are the things I consider. There's a video down here that will show you how to do it. Buy and hold, diversify, research your companies, and relax. Everything's gonna be fine 30 years from now. All right, make sure you smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.